Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. It is a really cool feature that makes browsing easier on the eyes, especially at night. Fine, the first thing that we'll do is to open Instagram and then you're going to your profile. For this you have to press on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Once that you're here, you have to access the menu, right? So you're going to press on the three lines here at the top right corner of your screen. Once in the settings, you have to scroll down until you see this section which says accessibility. Here you will find an option called dark mode. You have to go ahead and tap on that. If you don't see the dark mode option within Instagram, you can enable it through your device settings, right? So go to settings, now tap on display and brightness. Now you can switch between light and dark mode. This will affect the theme of all apps, including Instagram. As you can see, now it's on dark mode. And that's it. You now have dark mode enabled on Instagram. If you have any question or any suggestion, please leave it in the comments below. We hope this tutorial has helped you. If you want to see more videos like this one, we invite you to subscribe to our channel.